Okay, everybody ready? Let's go. We were on the William Shakespeare
Question number
passage.
6. Question number 6.
Yes. Okay.
Identify two
And we were on
tragedies that
question
Shakespeare
5.
wrote.
No, we did question 5.
We did question number 5. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We start with question number 6. Identify two
Ma'am,
tragedies.
ma'am,
Oh,
what?
Ibrahim Rizwani. Hello.
Ma'am, we don't have to give the answer. No, I forgot.
Please do it in your notebooks, everybody. And I observed one thing, children. Don't take too much time to solve that one passage. It's only 1 hour.
Ma'am, what is this?
What?
Identify two tragedies.
That
And
Shakespeare wrote.
and then
One is
well
Romeo and Juliet, the other one is Hamlet or All's Well That Ends.
give away the answer.
Abdullah. Why are we giving away answers? You're going to do the same thing for your paper? Here it is. Seek your answer from the passage and please write it down.
Am I new?
Okay. I'll move on to the seventh question. Okay. Musfira, Rizwani. Okay.
We
Why do
got
you think Shakespeare wrote plays about themes people could relate to? This is a personal question. Your
Ma'am,
opinion,
can you show
please.
me question number 6 again,
Question
ma'am?
number 6.
Question
True
number 6.
tragedies. Anas, write true tragedies written by Shakespeare. And question number 7 is a personal opinion question. It's an opinion based question. You have to write. We know from the biography, from the passage, that Shakespeare used to write plays that people could relate to. You have to answer the question, why would he do that?
ma'am, what is Romeo and Juliet?
It's a play.
Why was it tragedy?
Ma'am, I did not
Why should I give
understand
you
the
the answer,
seventh one.
Muhammad?
Ma'am, I did not understand the seventh one.
Okay, in the biography, we read that Shakespeare wrote plays that people could relate to, right? They could relate to. He would bring out the emotions that people could relate to. The question is asking you why. Why do you think he did that? It's an opinion based question.
Dawn.
That's your opinion. Rijda.
And you have given the SDG syllabus, no?
Yeah, I uploaded the material. I gave you the paper pattern. I've given the syllabus. Okay?
Ma'am, the syllabus is no poverty.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
But we cannot see you.
Ma'am, what would be the answer of this, ma'am?
Question number 7, you have to think better. It is an opinion based question. I cannot give you opinions about yourself, like what you think. I cannot do that, right? You have to think and answer. Why would an author write things or plays that people could relate to? Why would he do that? Think about it.
Ma'am, if this comes in the FA, how many
Ma'am,
points
I
would it
don't
take?
understand the question. Ma'am, I don't
Two.
understand the question. Ma'am, he would get money, ma'am. Ma'am, because you
Abdullah,
wanted to tell.
Abdullah, type it out. Okay. If this question comes for FA, this type of question, if it comes for FA, it will carry 2 marks
And you will obviously get 2 marks because it is a personal based question.
because it's your opinion.
Ma'am,
So all I'll be checking is
I
the
don't know what.
structure, how you, yes, yeah, I'll explain the question. All I'll be checking is how you frame the answer and how well have you understood the question. 2 marks for that.
Ma'am, can you
Yes.
show question number 8?
Ma'am, at the
Yeah.
end of the class, I want to show you something.
Yeah,
And can you
this
show question
question
number 8?
means, yes, Anas, I'll do that. Okay. Yeah, question number 7 means Shakespeare was a playwright, right? He used to write plays. Now he would write plays that people could relate to, people could understand, and they could feel what the character is going through. Okay. The question asks you, why do you think he did that? Why did he not write something fantasy, something on Greek mythology, that people can't really relate to? Why did he wrote plays about tragedy, about humor, jealousy, love, war, religion? Why did he do that? Because people could relate. Why do you think he did that? Why did he want people to relate to his writing? Thank you. Yes, Muhammad.
Ma'am,
Yes,
when he
Amina.
would write plays, ma'am, so
So
he would
Muhammad and
earn
Amina
money.
have finally cracked the answer.
Ma'am, they would
Good work.
earn money, ma'am. Like
You are very
Shakespeare would
close.
earn
That
money.
is one of the reasons. Very close, Ibrahim. Do not tell me your answers, Ibrahim. Put it in chat. Mute yourself, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, what if there is no word in the dictionary that Shakespeare made?
Huh? Excuse me, there are 300 words that we use that have been invented by Shakespeare.
They are in the English dictionary, na?
Yeah.
Ma'am, question number 8 can we do?
Abdullah, I loved your answer. If you write such an answer in the paper, I would give you full 2 marks.
Is it correct,
Excellent.
ma'am?
It is perfect. It's perfect. Well structured, properly framed. You have you mentioned the points that are there. Excellent.
Ma'am,
Can Abdullah, can I share that answer
Ma'am,
with
I can't
everybody?
remember the eighth one.
Can I really
Yes,
share,
ma'am.
Abdullah? Yeah,
Yes,
can I
ma'am.
share that answer with everybody?
Yes.
Okay. Minus the spellings, people. This is what this is what the answer to question number 7 should be. Shakespeare. Full stop.
ma'am, what a coincidence! I wrote the same answer.
Very good.
Ma'am, I want to say,
Mohammed, the first one. The first one. The former spelling. Yeah.
Ma'am, do we have
Yes.
to really
It
find
is
out the
perfect, Rushda. It is
meaning
perfect.
now? Ma'am,
Sorry?
we have to find out the meaning of the word from the dictionary now.
Oh. Choose one word that Shakespeare created and use a dictionary to find out its meaning. Sure, you could do that. But I'm not going to give you such questions in the paper.
So why should we do?
Please do it.
And do what?
We learn new word.
Oh,
You can look in the dictionary, ma'am.
Yes, you can. I have a question. I saw a video online
yes.
which showed that even after you mute yourself, whatever you speak can still be heard. Is
Ma'am,
it true?
Yeah, I watched the same video.
ma'am,
How?
if you are too much loud, no, then the computer speaker cannot hold it and then the voice goes.
I will say something when I'm muted. You can say it can.
Yeah, okay.
No,
No, we can't hear you.
Can
Are
you
you
hear me?
speaking? No.
Yes, I
Yes,
was.
now I can. Now.
Now I'm unmuted.
Loud, no.
How about
No, ma'am, we
No,
cannot.
ma'am, we cannot hear you. We can only
Try
hear
to
you.
talk louder.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Talk very loud.
Ma'am, can you hear me? See.
could you hear me?
No, ma'am. We could only hear you.
No.
Then what was that?
Maybe your
video?
microphone is better.
Ma'am, could you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
No, ma'am.
Now. No. Previously I couldn't.
When I wasn't right, sometimes Aisha Aga's
Yeah, your answer is correct. Yeah, your answer is correct. But I want you to frame it properly.
Ma'am, can you show question number 10?
Sure. Which fact
how
has
much questions
interested
are
you?
there?
That's it. This is the last one.
Ma'am,
Question 10
in
is the
question
last
number
one.
8, I did not understand.
Question. Ma'am, I am on the 8th question.
Ma'am, I did not understand question number 8.
Okay. One word that Shakespeare has invented. You have to take that one word, search the meaning for that word in the dictionary and write it down.
Ma'am, how will we know that he took which one word?
It's given in the passage.
Ma'am, how will we?
Any word, ma'am?
False wala.
Ma'am, can I take any word from the dictionary and write its meaning?
No, this. What is wrong with you all? These words.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Some of them are one from over here: barefaced, hobnob, lackluster, watchdog, bedazzled, fair play. Take any one word from this, search its meaning, and write it down. What
Hobnob
is
is
it,
very
Munib?
Question about, ma'am, I have a question about the question. Question number 9.
Yes.
How do we have to write this question? Like, answer कैसे लिखेंगे?
Okay, so A, B, C, D.
Okay.
Yeah. Question number 9, A, B, C, D. Which fact has interested you the most and why?
Yes, ma'am. What did you ask?
Which fact has interested you the most and why? Question number 10.
Ma'am, I got a fair play. Ma'am, I took the word hobnob and I got the meaning. It is arachak to drink sociably. No, I got mixed socially, especially with those of perceived higher social status.
I also got the same, ma'am. Same. I also got the same.
What Ibrahim said is the correct one. Hobnob. I gave you the example yesterday. I explained the
Ma'am,
meaning yesterday.
ma'am, can we go to the facts wala page that is there
Yeah.
in facts?
Yes.
Ma'am, now we need to do 9th one.
Yes, please do question number 9.
Which of these sentences are false?
Ma'am, I changed my word, okay?
Okay.
So, ma'am, we need to correct the statements which is false, ma'am. False, ma'am.
No, you have to write it is false or true.
Oh.
You also have to correct it.
Yes, the false one, right?
57, right?
And ma'am, the first one, if it is the true one, so we don't have to correct it, ma'am. So we just have to write true.
Ma'am, we need our uncle to study because how will he... Ma'am, in the ninth one, the third one, Shakespeare possibly died from a fever. Ma'am, it is true, na, because we have to give away the answer.
Ninth, third. What did you say?
Ma'am,
Shakespeare possibly died from a fever. Yeah. What about it? Yeah,
Ma'am,
yeah.
can you show the paragraph? I think he died at
Yes.
67-year-old, ma'am.
no, it was 52 only.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah. What
Ma'am, can you
factual
go
one,
down,
right?
please? Ma'am, can you go down, please?
Okay.
Ma'am, stop.
ma'am, for the 10th one, I have to see the paragraph.
So,
Ma'am, me too, I'm waiting from them.
yes. Please wait for the others until we reach there.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Ma'am, for the 10th one, I have to see the paragraph.
Yeah. I got it.
Ma'am,
Should I
I'm
go
done.
to the paragraph, everybody?
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am. Maybe.
Yes, ma'am, you
Yeah,
can.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you can go.
Okay.
Ma'am, I did not see the question.
Which fact interests you the most and why?
Ma'am, we have to write one or we can write one and more.
You can write more than one.
Ma'am, how much marks will it contain in the exam?
Two. This type of
Ma'am, I
question will
forgot
always
what
try
was
to.
the question. Ma'am, I forgot what was the question.
The question was, which fact of Shakespeare interests you the most and why?
He bought the second largest house in his hometown of Stratford.
Okay.
Yes, me too. Yes, ma'am, I also.
What will I write for why?
But you have to think about it, right? It will be your opinion.
Because he must have been really rich then.
Ma'am, Shakespeare died in 1616, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the 10th one, we need to write interesting fact about Shakespeare.
And why?
Okay, ma'am.
Why is that fact interesting to you?
Ma'am, when you would be teaching Tagore class, would be like this only, no? Ma'am, can you go down where he wrote his own words? Done, ma'am.
questions. Ma'am,
Good.
after all the 10
Ma'am,
questions,
can I say the 10th?
I'm done.
No, after you've completed the 10th one, we'll go to grammar now. Okay. But in your paper, after reading will be writing. But a piece of advice, always keep writing and reading towards the end for last. First, you solve grammar. Always in your paper, first thing you go for is grammar. It finishes off quickly. You solve grammar, then you answer the questions. So you go for section C, grammar, then section D, prose. Then you go for section A, reading, and last you do section B, that is writing.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am, we'll have to leave pages now first.
No, don't leave pages.
Ma'am, what
Once
is
you write
section
the
did we
question
mention
number,
the question
Ma'am, what
number?
is section question number and answer question number and answer answer like that?
yeah.
Ma'am, which one is
Yes,
section?
Abdullah.
What is section D?
Section D is prose.
What
So
is
from the biography and the autobiography, I've asked you question reference to context and question answers. Come in section D. Okay.
okay?
Ma'am, the question number 10 I wrote, I completed.
Okay. Done, everybody. Can I stop sharing my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we go to grammar, right?
Ma'am, today
Everybody.
we will complete the writing skill also.
Hopefully, yes. Okay. So you write down section in
Ma'am,
your
can you
after.
wait?
Yeah, sure. After question number 10 that you've written, leave a line, write section C.
Ma'am, I don't
Section
have
C,
page. I am doing in next page.
obviously. Section C, question number
11.
3. Question number 3. Do as directed. Now over here, you have to do is find and underline. Do not underline
Question,
the words, just write
question
the
what,
words.
ma'am, to us directed?
Question 3. Question number 3. Do as directed. Okay. And underline the word with a prefix or a suffix, and then you have to break the word. You have to write down the, if it's a suffix, then you will write the root word and then the suffix. If it's prefix, then you will write the prefix and the root word. Okay. So
Ma'am,
go
I
ahead.
did not understand. Means where we have to write in the means
We have to
like
write the sentence or we have to write the word only? We have to write the full sentence.
No, you don't have to write the full sentence, just write the word and break it.
So, ma'am, can I
ma'am,
write one? Then I will write directly the prefix or
One,
the
write the word. Yes, you write one, you write the word,
then
and then you
dash
break the word.
marker
Dash,
dash.
break the word. Yes. Yes.
Then I just
ma'am,
have to after the dash I just have to write prefix or the suffix which is there, right?
Prefix with root word. If it is suffix, then root word and then suffix. Root word also you have to write.
So, ma'am, I will write. So first only we will write the root word.
and
Now
where
then
we
we
have to
will
write
put a
suffix
dash.
and
Then
where
we
we
will
have to
again
write
write the next
prefix.
word.
Okay, hold up. Everybody, stop. Yeah. Did you take a new did you leave a line and you wrote section C? Yeah. Question number 3, you have to write. Now, these are sentences given to you. In these sentences, you have to identify the affix. You know what is an affix, right? The word which has a prefix or a suffix. Okay. You have to identify an affix, and then you have to break that affix into 2 parts: the root word and the prefix, or the root word and the suffix right next to it. So I'll give you an example. For example, the first one is dislike.
Like
So you will write the word in your notebook. You will write number 1, dislike hyphen prefix dis and the root word like. Then you go to the second one. Understood, everybody?
yes.
Okay.
all
Ma'am,
Yeah,
root
you
words
understand.
should
the
be
first
on left
one,
side. Ma'am, all root word, whether it is suffix or prefix, wala word, all root words should be on left side. Okay.
No. If it is suffix, then
ma'am,
root word will come first and the suffix will come last. No? Yes, Anas.
in the first one, usually or can also be the prefix, na?
Yes. Yeah, yeah. Do you have questions?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Oh. Solve 6. From second, from number 2. First one I did it for you. From number 2 to number 7. Solve 6.
Only till number 7 we have to do.
Ma'am, when it would be suffixes, so the root word would be on right side or the left side.
Suffix, the root word would be on the left side. For suffix, you will first write the root word and then you'll write the suffix. For prefix, you'll write the prefix first, then you'll write the root word.
Ma'am, in prefix, first I wrote the root word and then I break it down. Sorry.
Okay, that is not a problem. It's okay.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Mm.
I
Ma'am,
did
I
something
did not get
wrong.
the root word of third question, ma'am.
Ma'am, I made 6 wala 5 question and 5 wala 6 question. Is it okay?
No. How will I understand?
Ma'am, I will change the number then.
Yes. Okay. Yes, Abdullah?
Ma'am, I cannot find the root word in the third question, and then because of that I cannot find that also. Suffix also or the prefix.
I did not really believe his tricks will be. Come on, Abdullah. It's so
It's
easy.
so easy.
Ma'am, cesspool is a word.
Hmm?
Cesspool is a word,
What?
ma'am. Leaf
Which
is a
full?
word. Leaf is a word, ma'am.
No.
Lieve is a word.
No,
Ma'am,
no, no. It's
No?
not a word.
ma'am, if you
Abdullah,
see
that's not successful.
correctly,
That's successful, Abdullah.
ma'am, if you see
Ma'am,
correctly,
you gave the answer, ma'am.
No, he was reading the word wrong. You just gave him the answer by saying that I gave him the answer. Yes,
ma'am,
Muni.
if you make it in a paragraph, now all these lines you mix it, now it becomes a story.
Yeah, I know.
Ma'am,
Mm.
I am really confused. The third one is really a is really have
Ma'am,
It
ma'am
can
in
be.
this
Yeah, yeah.
ma'am in the sixth one there is both suffix and prefix.
Rujna has completed her work. Good
Ma'am
for
in
you.
the sixth one it is both suffix and prefix.
Yeah.
So we can write in one word, then we can break down.
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
done.
Perfect, Anas. Okay, Munib has completed.
And if you are thumbs up, I can't see when you put in chat.
Yeah, please don't chat. Okay, I think we are waiting for
I'm
Amina
done.
Abdullah Yahya. Okay, Humaira has completed. Muhammad Ibrahim. All right. Dan, should I stop sharing the screen? Come on, you just
no
have to write the word.
Three are
Quick,
only left.
quick, quick. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, tell them not to send message in chat. I can't see the
Stop
down point.
chatting. Okay. Stop chatting, yeah. Stop chatting. Chatting, why you chatting? Who left the meeting? Anas? Nonsense. Where
His
did he go?
internet was bad. He said in last.
Okay, okay. Okay, I'll stop sharing my screen now.
Ma'am, done.
All right. Next question we go to is prose. Right? Leave a line, right? Section D.
Ibrahim, you tell not to chat and you could chat.
Ibrahim.
The screen sharing is stopped.
Oh no.
Nonsense, Ibrahim. Don't do that. Okay. This is question number 4. Section D, question number 4A. What is wrong with me? Okay.
To contest, we have to do this.
Yes, please do it. And it's pretty simple. Please do not try to be quick. You see how fast you completed.
There's same answer in both of them. Who is he referred to? Who is he referred to in the above lines? Bro.
But the answer is different for both, Muhammad. Read the lines and answer properly.
What section we have to write? And what
Ma'am, who is
This is
he referred
section
to?
D. This is
Ma'am, we have
section D.
studied this.
This is section D, question number 4, A and B. See, when I'm telling you to go through the pages, I've given you page number from this to this. You have to really go through and read every word that is written in between those pages. If you do that, then you're gonna ace your paper. English won't be difficult for you.
Ma'am, I did not understand the A1 second one.
Ma'am, what does the word
Who does the word recognize him as?
if you
What
get
does the world recognize him as? Him is the writer. Him is the person on who the biography is written. What
Oh,
is he
ma'am,
recognized
he's
in the world
recognized
as?
as the best.
Keep quiet. Thank you for muting yourself right on time.
keep quiet, best. Oh, the name is keep quiet.
Ma'am, I don't remember the B1 first answer.
Ma'am, I'm done.
B first is the autobiography. Good, Rushda.
Ma'am, wait,
Wait, I'm coming. You're going and getting your textbook. Oh, hello, come back. Please read the text multiple times. Answer the question
I
that
only
is
read
given
it
after the
once.
text. Sorry?
I only read it once.
Good for you. Not actually. You should have read it more than once.
I recognize it immediately.
Then
Ma'am,
good for you.
the B1 first one, he was
B1 first
inspired.
one. It's B1 first one. It's B1.
B1, the first question, who is he referred to?
B1 in itself tells me that you are referring to the first question from question B.
Yes.
Who is he
Yes,
referred to
ma'am.
in the above lines? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, which question, which pages you give book, in that it will come. From that, the reference to context will come.
Excuse me, Ibrahim. Tell me which text has the B lines taken from. First, tell me that one.
The autobiography.
Right. Then
Who is he? Then what is? It was not his friend. He was From above grader, I
Ma'am,
think.
in the passage in the A passage, not mentioned that any name is not mentioned. So how do I?
So what will you write? Something is mentioned except for the name.
Line A is from the biography. So who is he in these lines? You have to write that name.
Ma'am, it's a
Line
scene
B
passage.
is from the
We know this.
autobiography.
It's a scene passage.
Obviously. It's the biography of Roald Dahl, and B is from the autobiography of Roald Dahl. Amina. Ibrahim, coming over to you. Your answer is right, but you have to write, specify. Because in the autobiography, Roald Dahl
The
has
stunter man.
specified. No, don't give me your words. Okay.
Ma'am,
See,
in
Ruzda
the
has already
textbook,
completed. Yeah.
ma'am, in the textbook, the autobiography of Roald Dahl is there, ma'am.
Ibrahim, bring your textbook.
Ma'am, first you stopped Yahya to bring the textbook. Now you are telling Ibrahim to bring textbook.
No, to look at the questions he's asking me. Definitely shows that he's not even opened his textbook.
I'm done.
Done, ma'am, done.
Okay. All right.
And my work is done.
Your work is. Thank you, Munir.
Ma'am, Anita
Okay.
always used to tell that I am not done, your work is done.
Work is done. That's the right way to say it, you know. Even I used to correct most of it. Okay, how many of y'all have completed? We have Abdullah who's completed, Munib has completed, Rushda. 3 students have completed the work. What about others? Ibrahim, page number 26. Second paragraph.
Ma'am, I bought
Page number 26, second paragraph.
me, ma'am.
You. Fifth line. Page number 26, second paragraph, fifth line.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, Ibrahim, is the autobiography of Roald Dahl there in the textbook?
Yes, ma'am. That time I did not have the textbook. That's why I was
And we
asking.
did it also, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, it is 42. Done, everybody? Should I stop here?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, I am writing the B second one. I'm on the last.
Okay, you write the answer, no? You've seen the question already. Okay. After reference to context, there would be question answers. Okay. This is a 5 marks question. I can either ask you 5 questions for 1 marks, or I can ask you 1 5-mark question for 5 marks. Okay, like obviously. So it would be, this is one of the examples. List 5 differences between Roald Dahl's autobiography and biography. So you have to mention the 5 differences that you find.
Ma'am, we have
Okay.
to draw table
How?
or points.
No, do not draw table. Just write difference 1 and answer. Difference 2 and answer. Okay. So you have to
This
analyze.
next class.
We do not have a next class. Unfortunately, we are going to meet for English next week, which will be for your papers. Okay. So Monday will be your English paper next week, and Tuesday we'll be discussing the paper. All right, everybody. So see you.
Ma'am, you will check in one day.
Yeah, you are like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 students. Less than 10 papers. Okay, everybody. Bye bye. Take care.